Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one, and I say another just because both Monday, which was right there, and then today's volume right here, very, very strong. Today, though, a little rough in terms of, depending on your vantage point of things, is going to dictate how you feel about the chart. What do I mean? Well, for those day traders, scalpers, flippers, whatever they want to call themselves, that were buying there and maybe buying right there, whose plan was to buy and sell within 30 minutes. Well, then from that angle of things, yeah, things are looking pretty bad right now. However, there's another, group of people out there that just care about the big picture. And I get it from the highs. There's been a larger pullback, but from the large, the bigger picture point of view, even with the large pullback, and I'm not saying the price is going to do this, but I mean, technically speaking, you could have the price still come back even more to that 1250 mark. So again, not saying this will happen, but just for explanation's sake, you'd have the price come down to 1250, behave in that manner, and work its way upwards. And from the big picture point of view, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. That's the name of the game. You just want to see overall healthy movements. Again, I'm well aware that if you're a day trader and you bought right there or right there, then yeah, you don't care about these overall stair steps. But that's why I try to, emphasize the distinction that, there are a couple of camps of people out there, both the big picture and then, more so the day trader type viewpoint people. Now, in the event the price does try to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance is going to be right there at 1350, and then next key level after 1350, right up there around 1485. But all in all, a rough looking chart depending on your viewpoint of things, but there is still the opportunity to build an overall higher base and continue on with the uptrend. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.